So after finishing OCAD, OCAD stands for Ontario College of Art and Design, and a university because it was a college turned to university. After OCAD, I spent 4 years learning, getting my Bachelor of Fine Arts, but I felt like I didn't really learn anything to help me get a job in what I had a degree in. And so I was very disappointed with the institutional educational system. And so my last hope was kind of Sheridan. And Sheridan, mind you, is extremely hard to get into. And I actually applied 4 years prior for the 4 year program and I didn't get in. And so I still had that like voice in the back of my head saying that you need to go to Sheridan. And so I started putting my demo reel together and I pushed the other voice that was saying no more school because school sucks and it doesn't teach you anything.